Welcome to our channel 2 Minutes Technology, a place where you learn Excel in a very unique way. So, today I'm going to talk about a very basic but a very important function, if function. It is a very useful and very important function of Microsoft Excel, and the video is for beginner. So, if in order to explain if function, I'm going to use a small data set where I have a student name and their marks in column C, and I would like to put in status in column D basis on the given condition. The condition is if the student is getting less than 40 marks, he'll be called fail, or if he's getting equals to greater than or equals to 40, he'll be called pass. We'll use if function to put in. We cannot put in manually for all the data, so we'll use if function. So I'll say equals to this if this is less than 40, I would like to call him fail, or I would say pass. I'll just so my first condition is it will check, it's a logical test, it will check whether the given number is less than 40. If yes, then my answer should be fail. If it is not true, that means if it is not less than 40, that means it is more than 40, then it should be pass. I'll hit enter and it will give me the value. I'll just put the formula in all these, and you can see here all these numbers are more than 40, more than or equals to 40, so it is pass. The moment there is a number less than 40, we call it fail. Similarly, here 34 fail, 39 fail, and so on. So this is how we use if function, but this is a very basic function where we have only taken one condition. Now what I would like to do, I would like to grade, let me just get rid of this. I would like to grade all the student basis on this condition. So here the condition is if the student is getting more than or equals to 91 until 100, he'll get A plus. If he's getting 81 until 90, A. If he's getting 71 until 80, B plus, and so on. All these numbers, the endpoints are inclusive. So here I would like to start my formula as if this is greater than 90, because from 91 until 100, or I can also call it greater than equals to 91, then I would like to call them I plus. Okay, let me just make it F4, right? So instead of writing A plus in text, I can give the reference as well. So later on, if you change the grade naming like excellent, good, etc., then you can do it. I'll give you an example as well. Okay, so that is my first condition. What if it is less than 91? Then there are multiple conditions that would satisfy. It may be A, it may be B plus, it may be B, C, and so on. So I'll again use another if function, and this time I'll say if my C2 is greater than equals to 81, right? The second condition is from 81 until 90. So if it is greater than equals to 91, I would like to call it A. I'll again push F4 to lock the cell, comma, what if the condition is false? So what if the number is less than 81? Again, for less than 81, we have three conditions. It can be B plus, B, C, or fail. So again, I'll initiate another if function. If my C3 is greater than equals to 71 this time, then I would like to have B plus. I'll again lock it. What if it is less than 71? Then we have three conditions. So again, I'll start another if condition. This time my C3 is greater than equals to 61. Then I would like to call it B. Let me lock it. What if it is less than 61? Then there are two conditions, either C or fail. So I'll again start another if function. If I don't require this bracket, if my C3 is greater than equals to 40, right? This time my condition is 40 to 60 is C. Then I would like to give them C. Let me lock it. What if it is less than 40? The only condition that is fail. So I'll say comma, and this time I'll say fail. I'll close all the brackets that I have started, and I'll hit enter and see, because 96 falls under this category, so it has automatically given A. I'm going to copy paste this. 51 is coming from this category, so they've given C. 92 again A. 48 is C. 78 is B. 86 is A, and so on. Okay, for 34 it has given C. Okay, let's see why. Because perhaps the formula is not correct, so this has not taken somehow. So our input here is if it is greater than 40 than this or this, right? And I must have locked it. Then it should be fail, and this formula needs to be copied all across. So I'm just copy, and I'm going to paste all this formula as a special function, and you can see now it is showing fail as well. There was a small typo there. So you can use if function this way to create or give condition and find out input. What I was saying, why I had given this reference. So if you would like to change this to excellent, very good, good, average, then you can call it okay, fail. So it gives it quickly changes the entire formula. So it is always good to give reference this way. So hope you enjoyed the video and this is quite useful to you. Please let me know if you have any question in comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you soon.